Welcome to Lighthouse Landing, one of Canton's most premier waterfront luxury condominiums. Lighthouse Landing comprises of floors 5 through 7 in the Lighthouse Point complex. There are 84 units, and I'm about to show you the best one. You're gonna love this. This fully renovated unit with nearly 2,000 square feet offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 1 incredible view. But first, let's take a look at the kitchen. Formerly a galley kitchen, the owners took down an entire wall to create a very modern open concept. The owners spared no expense with their upgrades, including pendant lighting, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, custom soft close cabinetry, and double stuffed Oreos. The unit features hand-scraped birch hardwood floors throughout, recessed lighting, and custom designer light fixtures. Unwind and settle into the owner's suite, featuring a luxurious bathroom and a walk-in closet with a custom sliding industrial door. Lighthouse Landing is a gated community which offers a 24-hour front desk concierge, a fitness center, and garage parking. Situated right on the harbor promenade, you're steps away from the many dining, retail, and entertainment options Canton has to offer. This unit features 2 balconies that face the courtyard, and then this one, which has the most incredible panoramic views of Baltimore. Thanks for joining me. This is luxury city living at its finest. Call me today for your private tour. It's been a long day. Okay. Yeah. Well, I locked it.
I did it. Unlocked.
I'm so glad she's here. I'd literally be like, I have to go, and I would jump off the balcony. Welcome. Okay. This new, sorry, not newly, fully. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I was like, what do I do with this? Thanks for joining me. This is luxury city living at its finest. Call me today for your private tour.